How y'all doing, beautiful family? Back at it again. I just came by Sam's to look at some things that I need to buy for preparation and storing. And, I just wanted to show you guys the prices and stuff on some of the things I'm about to get. Also, man, those who are new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and that like button. Those who are already subscribed, please make sure you hit that thumbs up. It'd be greatly appreciated. I do appreciate the love. Also, you guys have been doing amazing. Stay tuned. I'm about to show you these items that you could get for cheap as well, if y'all may find it cheap. Um, Man, this pollen has been killing me too. I don't know who else is getting pollen in their state. Man, I sound like crap. Like it's bothering my throat really bad. But stay tuned. I'm about to show you guys a thing that you must have in your linen closet is peroxide. $1.58 for a pack of 2 peroxide. Another thing you must have is the alcohol. It is $5.32 for a 2-pack as well. Or you could get alcohol swabs. It comes in this box right here. Also, you can get a first aid kit that you must have. It's $24.98. That is for 351 pieces. Neosporin, it actually comes 4 2-ounce tubes, and there are $10.98. A digital thermometer, infrared, $29.98. Also, must have COVID self-test, $17.88. I'm trying to find the price on these Band-Aids, but it is 163 assorted bandages. Does not have a price, but this is what they do have here in Sam's. You do have the airborne immune system support as well for $16.48. You have the airborne and gummies for $16.46. You could get a dual pack of ibuprofen for $10.53. You get the gels, the soft gel form for $13.38, but that's an individual's 400 soft gels. This one has 600 tablets in each bottle. Tylenol as well. Children's Motrin. Doesn't have a price on these, and children's Tylenol as well. Those do come in a dual pack. You could get the Members Mark acetaminophen for $11.34. Get some Aleve for $14.98. Brings a 320 tablet. These are must-haves in your pantry as well. Get some box of beans. It's a 6-can, $6.32. I mean, to some of you this may seem high, but at least it comes in big quantities. Black beans for $5.98, and it also comes in a 6-can pack. You could also do a 117-ounce baked beans. Comes in this big container. You could also stock up in your pantry as well. Original baked beans. This one comes in an 8-pack. You could also stock up and keep as well. If stuff was to, SHFT, just stuff like this you could keep in your pantry, Come get some oil, whatever's a little bit of left of it. Get some kosher pickles. Smaller one. You could always get canned soup as well to keep in your pantry. It's Progresso. You get some classic Spam 8-pack, 12-ounce, and it comes in something like this. 4 12-ounce cans. Also, you can get some Vienna sausage, 18-pack. Brings 18 cans. Get some of that Italian spaghetti. This one comes in this type of box right here. Get some of that ramen noodles. And it comes in a box like this. You can get some chicken stock, chicken broth, chicken noodle soup in a pack like that, cream of mushrooms in a box like this. These rice right here, they're not the greatest tasting one, but you know what? They come in a pack. It's resealable as well, so you know. Also these beans. Yo. What's going on, everybody? Back at it again. I'm here at Sam's. I'm not gonna go inside Sam's, but I wanted to record this for you guys. The gas station, how the people are ridiculously lined up here for gas early this morning. Sam's Club. This is the one right here in Snellville, Georgia. I'm about to turn this camera view around for you guys. Look how ridiculous this is. I mean, damn, you could just tell. I mean, is there a shortage in gas right now? I mean, I'm assuming because they're probably the cheapest around. You know, it's disappointing my tank is not on the right-hand side for me to pump gas, but I mean, as you can see, cars just keep coming in. Look how crazy, man. I mean, they just keep piling and piling up. $4.06. 93 and 87, $3.66. Look, people like that is why the pumps get the couplings, get gas spillage instead of doing it the right way. Look at this shit. I mean, it's ridiculous. Look at that shit. Their gas, up to today's date, premium 407, unleaded $3.67 per gallon. Well, there you go, family. I just finished buying all that stuff. I do appreciate you guys. Please, if you're new here, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. It'd be greatly appreciated. I'm about to go on vacay to Florida. I will be recording down there, showing you what our price differences from Florida to Georgia, and seeing if there's any increases down there. But we are going down there to visit relatives, so stay tuned. We got more videos to come.